Well, this is it here from Big Red Jacks. I got this on Amazon. It was under 30 bucks. 1,500-pound engine leveler. They have some instructions in here, but from what I could see, it's well built, heavy, just like all the $80, $90 ones. Good mounting brackets. Big, thick chain. It's at least a 1/4 inch. Got an Acme thread on top to adjust it. Here's a handle. Just mount that in there. But all in all, it's a pretty good product for the price. I'll let you know once I hook up and use this thing how well it articulates and all. I just thought you'd like to see that, and I'll put a link in the description to it on Amazon.